Today we will try to inject prototype bean into a singleton bean and we will see how it behaves like. So we are going to use two ways. One is by using the auto-wired annotation, another is by using the lookup annotation. So this is my sample REST controller. I am using get mapping here and I am using get here. So this is my another bean and I will change the scope of the bean to to prototype. By default it is always singleton, right? So this is how you can change the scope of a bean. Now this is sample controller whose scope is by default singleton. Now we will use auto wire. I will auto wire that class and here I will try to print the reference of the object. So from the reference only we will come to know is it behaving like the prototype or the singleton. Okay, now I will just run my application. So the application is running on port 8080, by default port 8080. Okay, yes, it is up and running, default port 8080. Now we will try to hit it. Okay, it has given me the reference. Now I will try to hit again. If you see, it is returning the same reference, right? So it is returning the same object each and every time. So after adding the prototype bean into singleton by using the auto wired, it is behaving like a singleton bean only. Okay, now the question may arise or the interviewer can ask, like how can we add a prototype bean into a singleton bean and the prototype bean should act like a prototype only, not like the singleton. So to answer this question, we can use lookup annotation. Okay, so this is the lookup annotation and we are creating the one method which will return the object of that class, and I will name the method as get bean and I will just return null from here. Okay, now I will try to print this instead of that reference. I will try to print this and we will remove this because we don't need it now. Okay, and I have just saved the project. So the server is restarted by itself. So this restarted, the server got restarted by using the dev tools. If you want to know more about dev tool, you can go and check my previous videos. So now we will come back to this only. So I will try to hit it. It has printed this reference. Now we will try to hit again. Okay, so if you see, it is giving the different object, right? So now we'll try to hit again 3-4 times. If you see, every time it is giving the different object. So that means now it is behaving like a prototype only, because prototype says every time you hit it will give you the new object. So now it is acting like a prototype only. In this video, this much only. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, share the video with your friend. Thank you.